Today, each of us have a smartphone that will shoot and edit the stories that will impact those around you. With that phone in your hand, you can make short films for social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, reaching out to thousands. In 2017, we started teaching smartphone filmmaking workshops. The first was in Ethiopia, with our students producing short videos after just a week of training. In the summer of 2018, we conducted smartphone workshops in 3 cities, 2 in China and 1 in Thailand, where 46 spent a week learning how to use their smartphones to write scripts, shoot, record audio, and edit on their own phones. We plan on conducting 4 workshops in 2019, 2 in India and 2 in Thailand. With your partnership, students will learn to produce these untold stories that will impact the lost in their country. Thanks in advance as you partner with us.